going on? Today is Monday. I'm about to meet up with Gene right now. I'm gonna meet up with him because I don't have everything here from my old house. A lot of stuff is in storage. So I need his drill with the drill step. So I can make a hole a little bit bigger, and I can install this push start right here. It's in a car, I believe. It's somewhere in the car, but I gotta install. No, it's right here. So I can install this push start. Basically, I'm just gonna run it one wire. I'm gonna run one wire to the fuse box and one to the ignition, so I can just press it and it'll give it direct power. My ignition is going bad, so this car has like that funky idling situation. So a lot of times when I come to a stop or like I'll drive, like gas it or whatever, it'll like shut off on me. So a lot of the times it doesn't turn back on with the key. So with this, it'll be straight direct power to the starter and I'll be fine. So yeah, just let them car warm up and then we should be good. I have to find, when I come back, I have to find my mount when I put to the window so I can do like some POV driving over there. But yeah, so let's get the day started, guys. We got Gene's papers want to help me out with his dad. What's your name again?
Carlos.
Oh, just like your dad. Yeah. So we're about to mess with the push start. I got it in there. I have it in there too. I gotta just yeah. I forgot to tell you about that shit too. Bro, it sucks not having none of my tools. All my tools is in storage and everything, bro. So we're gonna just put it. Let me see if I can take this out of here. We're just gonna drill it in here. Make that a little bit bigger to fit. Let me show you the other one. So this push start right here could work. Whatever. So this could fit inside. This is small enough to fit in there, so it should be good. Man, this one like that. Carlos, dímelo. ¿Cómo está? Gracias por todo. Ahora voy a poner esto porque no tenía tiempo. Ahora se lo voy a poner puesto. Porque no prende a veces. No. Alright, so I got the button in here. You guys can see it's all the way in there. Got the wiring right here. Just run one to the fuse box and then one to the ignition. Yo, I need a blade. I should have brought my blade. So I could splice into the ignition over there. He fucks with Hondas and shit too. He had a Turbo B. He raced Julio before. I think that's what might be too.
Like in Rochester or?
Nah. He moved now to Rochester.
That they do, especially where you live, bro.
I be in this. Alright, y'all. Put it over there. Alright, we good. Let's go. Yo, look at this bun. The bun don't even look bad though. Look, I swear to God, bro. Look at that shit.
Nah, that shit came out.
That shit look like it comes in it, right? That shit works.
Deep dish button.
Yeah, work. Now my daughters won't press it when they in the car. Alright, I just gotta. Yeah, when they be in the car, they be pressing everything, bro. They be trying. That bun came out so smooth. Look at that. Literally flush in there. Alright, this is nice. This is what is it? The B20 we said, right? B20. This is that shit. Also, you got the fucking belly pan, all that shit. This is nice.
Yeah.
Fuel cell. It's a big boom. And look at the V stack and that shit is huge. That's what, like a 4-inch, 5-inch?
Yeah, I think 4.5.
Sheesh. Lights on windows. Oh, what's up? There's a race car right here. Oh, it is full race car. That shit don't even got the dash and that shit got the fuel tech. I see it. I'm gonna get my light. Got the Kirky seat. Oh, that's one. Yeah, this is definitely a race car. Got the K, what is this? K20, 24, 20, 24, 24, 24? Man, that shit is nice. I see the, what's that, eBay turbo, right?
Yep.
Sir, those are the best shits ever, bro. Bro, for the price, come on, bro. You pay for the price of that versus the Garrett, and the Garrett, you could do 2 or 3 passes. That's what I got on that one. You do 2 or 3 passes on it. Bro, I've seen people that have a Garrett and do like 2 or 3 passes, shaft is done. Then you gotta send it back, wait a few months. Then you gotta, on top of that, you still gotta pay like a couple grand just to fix it. Nah. Damn, this shit is nice. Yeah, so I installed the pusher start. Gotta do some more stuff to the car soon, but I'm back home, so I'll pick up the camera. Next time, bring up the car. Gotta do like the oil pan gasket and the gasket for the transmission because it's leaking a lot. So I think I gotta put some silicone in the oil pan gasket and then replace the seal for the shift linkage on the trans also. So I'm gonna do that probably in a few days. So I'll pick up the camera in a few days when we do that. See you guys then. What up, y'all? So it's a couple days later. To the guy I was gonna try to work on the car. I was gonna try to drain the oil, silicone the oil pan, and do the transmission seal also. But once again, snow. So it's melting away now, but like the floor is just disgusting. Yeah, that's the whole driver right there. So can't really do much. So just wanted to let you guys know that welcome to the Rochester weather. But I'm just home right now, literally just chilling. I'm watching the Optic Scum retirement video here. Just chilling. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to take out the car probably this week. I'll probably do like some POV, stuff like that. Wait for like the snow to like really go away. The road seemed to be like clearing up a little bit, so I don't think it should be that long. Probably like two or 3 more days. My wife's gonna be really busy at work this week, so I'm definitely gonna try my hardest to take the car out. But I wanna make like POV videos, so I wanna make a POV video. Oh yeah, I know you guys love a POV video, so I have to actually get the mount. I have to get the mount that I put on top of my window to like show everything that's going on, like when I'm driving. So I think I have it downstairs, but I have to go get that to make some POV videos. And then the weather's actually getting a little bit better, so yeah. But I definitely have to get to that oil. But the oil pan not so much. It's not really the oil pan. The oil pan situation can wait. That's like a little tiny bit. The seal on the shifter, it's leaking really bad. So that I have to take care of ASAP. I gotta drain the oil, obviously, and then the part that's like I hate is doing the bitch pin. That fucking pin is so annoying because you have to like hit it out. Sometimes it gets stuck in there and putting it back. Obviously, it's like the worst shit ever. Taking out the seal is easy. You just pop it out, put it in the seal. It's the same shit. You just take out the oil, clean it up, put the seal back on. You hit it with like you gotta get like a socket. So maybe like a size 14 socket. You put it on it and you just hit it back in, and then you're good to go. That's it. But besides that, the most annoying part is obviously, like I said, the bitch pin. I guess just came outside. But yeah, look at this. It's not bad. The roads are here kind of dry, but probably gonna wait for it to get a little bit more dry to do like some POV and stuff. But it definitely have been some issues. Is that a Civic? Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a Civic. Yeah. But yeah, it's definitely been issues with like YouTube. Don't know what's going on, but seen a few other people have the same issues where like they're not getting notifications. YouTube's not letting them know when the videos come out. I don't know if I'm like shadow banned or something from like streaming. Listen, I don't really know what's going on right now, but a lot of people have been hitting me up saying they don't see more videos being uploaded. They don't get like notifications, all that type of stuff. So I really don't know what's going on with YouTube right now. The views are definitely a lot lower right now too, which I have no idea why. I honestly don't know why. So it's definitely it's definitely something weird. What the hell? There's definitely something weird going on that I don't even know myself. But I would appreciate you guys if you guys would make sure you have like your notifications on to know to be notified like when I upload and stuff like that. Because I honestly don't know, to be honest, what it is. But YouTube is like, it's been becoming a real pain to just even like do vlogs and stuff like that. And I'm trying to like, to be honest, I'm being real with you guys. Like I enjoy making videos. But like when it becomes this hard and it's like YouTube, I feel like YouTube is like holding me back from like putting out more videos and stuff. That's what like really, you know, it really gets to me sometimes, because like I'm doing all of this work and then like YouTube is like not doing what it's supposed to do, I guess. Like it's not really like not putting my videos out, not letting people know that I've uploaded, and it's really annoying. So I would really appreciate it if you guys was to like make sure, you know, to know you have notifications on and stuff like that. And I always upload Sundays, Mondays, or Tuesdays. Those are usually the days that I always upload. So if you guys could just come and check and see the videos, because a lot of people don't, like I said, a lot of people don't be seeing it. So, and I also stream. So I had a streaming schedule of it was Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from like 11 to like 4 a.m. stuff like that. So I really appreciate it. If you guys will come by too, you know. If you guys want to donate, join the membership. Memberships is like you guys will basically have special emotes that I just got 3 special emotes that nobody else can use. Like it's like car emotes and stuff like that. But I also want to do more of like interacting more with you guys. Obviously, like play Call of Duty and stuff like that with you guys. And then obviously, the higher you go up in the membership, you'll have like videos. You'll see the videos before anyone else. You guys will be informed more, stuff like that. So. I really invested a lot into like the streaming stuff too, so I really kind of wanna, you know, try that also on the side. Because right now I'm just trying to I'm trying to make this happen with like YouTube and stuff like that right now. So, like I said, I'm really trying, but YouTube is not making it easy. I'm not gonna lie. And you know, I want to continue to do YouTube, so. I would really appreciate it if you guys would even just share my videos on Instagram and I'll repost it and stuff like that. I don't know, there's a lot going on with YouTube. YouTube is always ups and downs, and I've been trying like to, you know, do more shorts also to get my channel more out there, because I know a lot of you guys are like, oh, I don't know how your video's not out there, your channel's not out there. Me either, I don't know, but it's all up to YouTube. It's all on YouTube does all of these stuff, which I honestly don't know. So yeah, I don't really ask much, but please guys, make sure you guys are notified, stuff like that. Obviously, you guys know I have a family, so I take time away from my family to try to do my own stuff. And all of that is hard, making content, working on the car, editing. I'm trying to like stream, spend time with my family. It's a lot of work, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm trying to say is like, I'm trying to hold on with, you know, I'm really want to do this YouTube stuff. I really enjoy editing, putting out videos for fun and stuff like that. But it's like when you put so much work and then YouTube just like fucks you over. It's kind of hard, you know. So yeah, hopefully you guys can help me out a little bit more. I don't know, we'll see what happens with this video, but I put out a video that got like 1,000 views. So I never really get that stuff. I don't really care usually about stuff like that, but it comes to the point where like you're putting all this work in and it's not being put out there because of YouTube, their algorithm and how they distribute stuff like that. So whatever, enough rambling. Listen, I appreciate you guys. I'll definitely have some videos, obviously. Still gotta work on the car, still gotta change out the IAC, see if I can fix this this like idling issue that I have with the car and stuff. With the car like idling high and stuff, so definitely some POVs and stuff like that, but I'll also have videos. I really appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, tune in to my stream. You guys want to donate, whatever you guys want. I'm trying to make it happen. I'm trying to make it all happen right now for you guys. So like, comment, subscribe, post, enjoy. Peace out, guys.